Joint inspections of services for children and young people at risk of harm in North Ayrshire. All children and young people have the right to feel loved, have the care they need to grow and develop, and be protected from being harmed. We wanted to understand how well services are supporting children, young people, and their families who need extra help, from people including teachers, health visitors, nurses, doctors, family support workers, and social workers. We did a range of things to help us understand how well services in North Ayrshire were providing support to children, young people, and their families. We sent out surveys to children and young people and parents and carers. We also sent a survey to staff to complete. We read the records of 60 children and young people. We read information about North Ayrshire that is available to the public via websites and social media pages. We met virtually with senior leaders and some managers. We looked at written records and reports that North Ayrshire shared with us. As a result of the impact of coronavirus pandemic, we did not get to meet people face to face. We were not able to meet with children, young people and their families. This means that we could not evaluate the impact of services on their lives. When we say impact, we mean what differences services made on the lives of children and young people. Here are some of the things that we found were working well for children and young people in North Ayrshire. Most children and young people were being helped by staff to be safe. Staff responded quickly and worked well together when they were worried about a child or young person. Staff were supported by clear systems and guidance that helped them to know what they needed to do and when. This meant that they managed the risks well for children and young people at risk of harm. The people in charge in North Ayrshire were meeting their responsibilities to make sure that services were doing what they should do to keep children and young people safe. Managers were gathering lots of information about how well services were performing in keeping children and young people safe, and used this information to make things better. Here are some of the things that services in North Ayrshire need to do better. Leaders needed to understand more about what difference help had made to children and young people's lives. Services in North Ayrshire needed to make sure that all children and young people were meaningfully involved in decisions about their lives and to be involved in planning how services should get better. We are confident that the partnership in North Ayrshire has the capacity to continue to improve and to address the points highlighted in this report. Thank you to all the children and young people who completed our surveys. Our full inspection report can be found on our website. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.